Interesting. This is interesting thing to see. Sit there and make dang horror stuff with this. I have no idea why this wants to be like that. But it's a fun thing.